Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Class is 8. The subject is social and political life. Dated is 21st of May 2001. Our topic is taxer questions of Indian Constitution First question is explain the meaning of the Constitution. First question is explain the meaning of Constitution. Answer: the Constitution is the collection those rules and regulations according to which administration of the state is run. The Constitution is the collection of those rules and regulations according to which the administration of the state is run. It is fundamental law reflecting the will of the people. It determines the powers and the responsibilities of the state. It determines the powers and the responsibility of the state. It also states people's rights and duties. That is the short answer type question. What is the meaning of Constitution? And the Constitution is the collection of those rules and regulations according to which the administration of the state is run. It is the fundamental law reflecting the will of the people. It determines the powers and responsibilities of the state. It also states people's rights and duties. That is the first question. Second question: write a short note on the preamble. The Constitution of the Indian begins with a preamble. The preamble serves the people of window through which we peep into the interactions of the makers of the Constitution. In short, preamble is the summary of the objectives and basic philosophy of the Constitution. It helps in the interpretation of the Constitution. The Constitution of India begins with a preamble. The preamble serves the purpose of the window through which we peep into the interpretation of the makers of the Constitution. In short, preamble is the summary of the objectives and basic philosophy of a Constitution. It helps in the interpretation of the Constitution. Question number 3. Write the main objectives of the Constitution. Write the main objectives of the Constitution. Answer: following are the main objectives of the Constitution. First of all, justice, that is social, political, and economic. When we talk about the justice, three justice, that is the social, political, and economic. Second, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship. Liberty, किस में हमें आज़ादी, किस चीज़ की हमें आज़ादी दी गई कि ये आप करते हैं, belief, faith, and worship. Number 3, equality of the state and opportunities. Equality of the state and the opportunities. Fourth, fraternity, assuming the delight of the individual and the unity of the nation. These are the 4 basic fundamental rights. Mention the nature of the state according to the preamble of Indian. Mention the nature of the state. State कैसा होना चाहिए according to preamble. Its answer is: India is a Sarvajanic state. First, Indian is a Sarvajanic state. Second, India is a democratic state. India is a democratic state. Number 3, India is a secular state. India is a secular state. Fourth, India is a socialistic state. India is a socialistic state. Five, India is a republic. India is a republic. Another question. What is federation? Its answer is the federation is a type of agreement by which many states with similar objectives decide to become the member of a bigger unit. Under federation, all the states that form the federation enter into a government. Federation is always formed by the independent states. Federation has been formed by the provinces and states, and the power of the both have been fully defined. The federation is a type of organization by which many states with similar objectives decide to become the member of a bigger unit. Under federation, all the states that form federation enter into a government. Federation is always formed by the independent states. Federation has been formed by provinces and states, and the power of both have been fully defined. Thanks a lot of these are 5 questions which we have do today. इंशाल्लाह अगर खुदा ने चाहा तो इससे आगे जो क्वेश्चन हैं इनको हम कल करेंगे.